Welcome! In today's video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step checklist for choosing the right social media management software for nonprofits. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to find a solution that fits your organization's unique needs. Whether you're a small nonprofit just starting out or a larger organization looking to streamline your social media efforts, this guide will help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in and explore the essential steps to ensure your nonprofit's social media presence is managed efficiently and effectively. The first step in choosing social media management software is to clearly define your nonprofit's goals. Are you aiming to increase awareness, boost engagement, recruit volunteers, or drive donations? Understanding your objectives will help you identify which features are most important in a software solution. Take time to discuss with your team and write down your top priorities. This clarity will guide your entire selection process and ensure the tool you choose aligns with your mission and vision. Next, assess your team's current skills and capacity. Consider who will be using the software and their level of experience with social media tools. Some platforms are user-friendly and require minimal training, while others offer advanced features that might need more expertise. Understanding your team's strengths and limitations will help you choose a tool that everyone can use comfortably, ensuring smooth adoption and ongoing success. Budget is a crucial factor for nonprofits. Determine how much you can allocate for social media management software. Some platforms offer nonprofit discounts or even free versions with limited features. Make sure to consider both upfront costs and any ongoing subscription fees. Having a clear budget in mind will help you narrow down your options and avoid overspending. Now, make a list of must-have features for your organization. Common features include scheduling posts, analytics, team collaboration, content libraries, and integration with other tools. Think about what functionalities are essential for your daily operations and which ones would be nice to have but aren't deal breakers. This list will serve as your checklist when comparing different software options. With your goals, team skills, budget, and feature list in hand, start researching available social media management tools. Look for platforms that cater to nonprofits or offer special pricing. Read reviews, watch demo videos, and explore user testimonials to get a sense of each tool's strengths and weaknesses. This research phase is critical to ensure you don't miss out on a solution that could be a perfect fit. Integration with your existing tools can save time and reduce errors. Check if the social media management software integrates with platforms you already use, such as email marketing, donor management, or event planning tools. Seamless integration ensures smooth data flow and helps your team work more efficiently. A user-friendly interface is key to successful adoption. Evaluate the user experience by signing up for free trials or requesting demos. Pay attention to how intuitive the dashboard is, how easy it is to schedule posts, and whether the analytics are clear and actionable. The easier the software is to use, the more likely your team will embrace it. Analytics are essential for measuring your social media impact. Review the analytics capabilities of each software option. Look for tools that provide detailed reports on engagement, reach, follower growth, and campaign performance. The right analytics will help you refine your strategy and demonstrate your impact to stakeholders. For nonprofits with multiple team members, collaboration features are a must. Assess whether the software allows for team roles, approval workflows, and shared content calendars. These features help keep everyone on the same page and ensure a consistent voice across all your social media channels. Efficient content scheduling is vital for maintaining a consistent online presence. Check if the software offers advanced scheduling options, such as bulk uploads, recurring posts, and optimal timing suggestions. These features can save your team time and ensure your content reaches your audience when they're most active. Not all social media management tools support every platform. Make sure the software you choose is compatible with the social networks your nonprofit uses, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn. This ensures you can manage all your channels from one place without switching between different tools. Security is especially important for nonprofits handling sensitive information. Review the security features of each software option, such as two-factor authentication, user permissions, and data encryption. Ensuring your data is protected will give you peace of mind and safeguard your organization's reputation. Reliable customer support can make a big difference, especially if your team is new to social media management software. Test the support options available, such as live chat, email, or phone support. Quick and helpful responses can save you time and frustration if you encounter any issues. Training resources can help your team get up to speed quickly. Look for software that offers tutorials, webinars, or a knowledge base. These resources are especially valuable for nonprofits with limited technical expertise, ensuring everyone can use the tool effectively from day one. As your nonprofit grows, Your social media needs may change. Evaluate whether the software can scale with your organization. Check if it offers different plans or add-ons that accommodate more users, additional features, or increased posting limits. Scalability ensures your investment remains valuable as your organization evolves. Mobile access is increasingly important for teams on the go. Check if the software offers a mobile app or a responsive web interface. This allows your team to manage social media accounts, schedule posts, and respond to messages from anywhere, ensuring you never miss an opportunity to engage with your audience. Automation can save your team valuable time. Look for features like automated posting, content recycling, and smart scheduling. These tools help you maintain a consistent presence without having to manually manage every post, freeing up your team to focus on higher impact activities. A content library can help your team organize and reuse assets like images, videos, and templates. Check if the software provides a centralized library for storing and managing your content. This feature streamlines content creation and ensures brand consistency across all your posts. Reporting tools are vital for tracking progress and sharing results with stakeholders. Assess whether the software offers customizable reports, export options, and visual dashboards. These features make it easy to communicate your social media impact and inform future strategies. Many software providers offer special pricing or discounts for nonprofits. Check the vendor's website or contact their sales team to inquire about nonprofit rates. Taking advantage of these discounts can help you get more value for your budget and access premium features at a lower cost. User permissions are important for maintaining control and security. Review whether the software allows you to set different access levels for team members. This ensures that only authorized users can publish posts or access sensitive data, reducing the risk of errors or breaches. Most social media management tools offer free trials. Take advantage of these to test the software with your team. Use this period to explore all features, assess usability, and determine if the tool meets your needs. A hands-on trial is the best way to ensure the software is a good fit before making a commitment. After testing, gather feedback from everyone who used the software. Ask about their experience, what they liked, and any challenges they faced. Team input is invaluable for making a final decision and ensuring everyone feels comfortable with the chosen tool. Once you've narrowed down your options, compare the shortlisted tools side by side. Use your checklist of must-have features, budget, and team feedback to evaluate each option. This comparison will help you see which software best meets your nonprofit's unique requirements. Vendor reputation matters. Research the company behind the software, including their track record, customer reviews, and responsiveness to issues. A reputable vendor is more likely to provide reliable updates and ongoing support, ensuring your investment is protected. Before making a final decision, review the contract terms carefully. Look for details about cancellation policies, data ownership, and service-level agreements. Understanding the fine print will help you avoid surprises and ensure the agreement aligns with your nonprofit's needs. A smooth onboarding process is essential for successful adoption. Plan how you'll introduce the new software to your team, including training sessions and support resources. A well-structured onboarding plan will help everyone get up to speed quickly and start using the tool effectively. Once you've chosen your software, set up user accounts for your team, assign appropriate permissions based on roles and responsibilities. This ensures everyone has the access they need while maintaining security and control over your social media channels. If possible, import your existing content, such as scheduled posts, media assets, and analytics data, into the new software. This helps you maintain continuity and ensures you don't lose valuable information during the transition. Take time to customize the software settings to match your nonprofit's branding and workflow. Set up content calendars, approval processes, and notification preferences. Customization ensures the tool works seamlessly with your team's unique processes. Provide comprehensive training for your team on how to use the new software. Use available tutorials, host live training sessions, and encourage hands-on practice. Well-trained users are more likely to use the tool effectively and maximize its benefits for your organization. Monitor how your team uses the software in the first few weeks. Identify any challenges or areas where additional training might be needed. Early monitoring helps you address issues quickly and ensures a smooth transition to the new system. Continue to collect feedback from your team as they use the software. Regular check-ins help you identify new needs, address concerns, and make adjustments to your processes. Ongoing feedback ensures the tool continues to meet your nonprofit's evolving requirements. Use the software's analytics and reporting tools to measure your social media impact. Track key metrics like engagement, reach, and conversions. Regular measurement helps you demonstrate the value of your social media efforts to stakeholders and guides future strategy. Based on your analytics, adjust your social media strategy as needed. Identify what's working well and where there's room for improvement. Flexibility is key to maximizing your nonprofit's impact and making the most of your chosen software. Social media platforms and management tools are constantly evolving. Stay updated on new features, platform changes, and best practices. Regularly review your software's updates and attend webinars or training sessions to keep your team informed and ahead of the curve. As your nonprofit's social media presence grows, revisit your software needs periodically. Plan for additional users, new features, or even switching tools if your current solution no longer fits. Proactive planning ensures your social media management remains effective as your organization evolves. Document your social media management processes, including how to use the software, approval workflows, and content guidelines. Clear documentation helps onboard new team members quickly and ensures consistency in your social media efforts. Regularly review and update your security settings, change passwords periodically, update user permissions as roles change, and stay alert for any suspicious activity. Maintaining strong security practices protects your nonprofit's data and reputation. Use your new software to actively engage your audience, respond to comments, share stories, and encourage participation. Building strong relationships with your supporters is key to growing your nonprofit's impact and achieving your mission. Don't forget to celebrate your social media successes. Use analytics to highlight milestones, recognize team achievements, and share positive outcomes with your supporters. Celebrating wins boosts morale and motivates your team to keep striving for excellence. At least once a year, review your social media management software and processes. Assess whether your current tool still meets your needs, and make adjustments as necessary. Regular reviews ensure your nonprofit stays efficient and effective in a changing digital landscape. Stay connected with other nonprofits and industry experts. Join online communities, attend conferences, and participate in webinars to learn about new trends and tools. Networking helps you discover new solutions and share best practices with peers. Choosing the right social media management software for your nonprofit doesn't have to be daunting. By following this step-by-step checklist, you can confidently select a tool that fits your organization's needs, empowers your team, and amplifies your impact. Remember, the right software is an investment in your mission and your community. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your social media journey.